how 1010 app works. So this is a new viral teen social media app. Yeah, it's going viral on TikTok everywhere. So this is kind of like a walkie-talkie app where you talk to your friends, just like a messenger app, but you don't do video calls, you don't do like text messages. You just kind of hold to your phone and you speak to your phone like a walkie-talkie, and then you are always like on a speaker mode. This app also works on the lock screen, so basically your phone becomes like a walkie-talkie device. So that's the idea. And then like this app is basically like a top in this category because there are like some other apps, but this one is most popular. So you have your account, you have your pin. That's like how you add your friends. Your friends add you by your pin, or you add them by their pin. And this app is ideally just like for having close friends only, because if you have here like 100 friends, it's just unusable because it becomes very noisy. You remember, this is a walkie-talkie app which works on your locked screen, so it's just too much noise. So just keep it just to your close friends, and then you just have your friends here. How it works, you just tap and hold. Oops, I just don't want to call. So here's how it look like. So you just in the conversation, you see this screen, you see like the red button in the bottom. You can just end the call there, just like that. Then you can enable speaker mode. I think it's by default a speaker mode. On the right, you can turn it off, and then you can mute yourself in the bottom left. Then if the other person talks, you will see just this screen. You can pull down to ghost this person in the top. This way you're just ghosting. And then then you just continue conversation. Again, like the cool part and the dangerous part is that it works even if you locked your screen. So it's very important, to give access only to people who you really want to talk to, unless you just want to talk with strangers. And then if you don't like someone, don't forget just to mute that person, or you can just mute everyone. So for me, like I just like a quick hack for you. The best way to quickly enable mute in 1010 is just by using like do not disturb mode in settings. But I also created my own focus mode just for 1010, where I only kind of silence only 1010 app. So it's a bit more technical, but basically you can just create your own focus mode on iPhone, where just basically when you enable it, all notifications, all sounds from 1010 app are silenced, and all other apps are working normally. So you can create that, because then it's just quite handy. It's like super fast to just enable 1010 app in do not disturb this way. Another thing, like this app is in active development, and it's at the moment it's really buggy and glitchy. It shows all the time this connecting error, like people just can't call each other. So you make sure that you are only calling people who are really online and who are logged in into their account. And if you press in something, like sometimes mute is not updated, so this mute state is not being updated. So what you can try to do, just swipe up the app, so, and then open it up again. This way you are opening app in the normal way, and you're just swiping it up and clearing the cache. So that's what I would recommend you to try out. It sometimes fixes some errors. Then you have your account in the top right. You can edit your pictures, you can edit your profile. There are some power moves tutorials from their TikTok channel. So go to 1010 TikTok and just you can find out a lot of stuff there. Then there is like a danger zone. If you want, you can log out and delete your account. Also, when creating an account, a lot of users reporting glitches and bugs. So that's just what it is. But basically, there you have it. I think you can also add like a lock screen widget. So if you go to wallpaper tab, customize, add widgets, you can also add like a widget here for 1010 app. Availability. So then basically this is not to put someone and to call someone. This is just signifies whether you're available or not for 1010. If you mute everyone, it just says off. If you're not muting or not in do not disturb, then it says on. So that's just for you to know how it's going on. Yeah, because this app works on the lock screen, and then it's kind of become super annoying super quickly. But yeah, so there you have it.